You get 7 minutes.
Honorable Chairman, sir, the notice that I had given regarding the misuse of social media to spread fake news which leads to violence and unrest in various parts of the country. The Honorable Minister has made his statement, but I would like to further put forward some of the views that are of very important, that are the views which are very important in the present context. Of course, the government led by Narendra Modi ji has given utmost importance to the IT sector. Digital India is one of the prime motto of the government of India. E-governance, through which the citizens should get the services on demand, digital empowerment of the citizen. These are the main mottos of the government. But at the same time, I would like to put it on record that the social media is, on the one hand, utilized for the betterment of the citizens of this country, whether it is the railway users or whether it is some people who are in precarious conditions in foreign lands for their safety. All these are being done by the government. But on the other hand, there are forces in the country who are bent upon creating unrest and violence in the country. Rumors are being spread, unauthenticated news is being spread. Even such information which is far from truth are also being spread. There was an incident, I can quote, in the recent days. On 16th of April, Kerala witnessed a hartal, a bandh. Perhaps the effect of or the misuse of social media, the violence that erupted in the whole of Kerala, that would be the largest that has been reported in the whole country. On a single day, there were around 400 incidents of violence. Thousands of youth sprang to the streets of Kerala armed with weapons, and they were obstructing the peace-loving common people of the society. This has not been done by any organization. This was not done on the basis of any verified information. There was no reason for such an incident to happen. And of course, the government was caught unaware. And ultimately, those who suffered were the common people of the society. There are incidents reported from various parts of the country wherein some information, some news, some rumor that is spread by irresponsible people on the one hand, and on the other hand, the sinister designs of some people, which has led to large-scale violence. At the same time, these incidents, on the one hand, which leads to violence, is there. At the same time, there are incidents of social media being utilized or used deliberately to defame the political opponents. Recently, the Karnataka elections were held. I would like to quote the principal opposition party. They utilized, in a way doctored, the advertisement given by Bharatiya Janata Party in a very prominent newspaper, The Hindu. And that newspaper's advertisement was doctored and used by the head of the IT wing of the principal opposition party to spread facts which are far away from truth.
Let us wait.
Sir, I have the thing. The banner headline, the top corner in the Hindu, which gave the advertisement of BJP as for a corruption-free state. That was the slogan of BJP. But the principal opposition party made a poster which said for a corruption state. That free was omitted or in a way erased. And that was tweeted by the head of the principal opposition party.
Please.
Sir, I have records of so many leaders, so-called respectable leaders. The Chief Minister of Delhi, every day he tweets or retweets one or other fake news, and later on he withdraws that. I have
Please.
my colleague
Please.
my colleague in the other house, in the lower house, from Thiruvananthapuram. He is known for making such false tweets, and every day he has to apologize for that.
Other house you cannot quote. You cannot quote the other house, please.
I'm not a member who's
Yeah.
from another house.
Right. I said it. Okay, go ahead.
The so-called respectable leaders of every political party in the opposition uses this opportunity or uses such fake
Your
news,
time is coming to an end, huh?
such fake news to spread such rumors. So I would request, even there is an incident where I have the pictures. The photos of Rawalpindi was used to show that the photo is of Bhopal,
Right.
a respectable member of this house. He used this, he did this. So this is not an issue of political one-upmanship.
Right.
Every political party needs to adhere to the rules of the country. And I would request that the political parties cutting across the lines will have to, and the leaders, respectable leaders, will have to observe restraint so that the people of the country, they follow the rules of the country.
Thank
With
you.
these words, I conclude.
Thank you.